Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing safe and welcome to my channel. It's me Selva. So today let's see about what Robinhood paid me as a dividend for month of May and June. So just for holding the shares. It's sweet, right? Okay. So dividend. So who new to this dividend? It's nothing. The company will pay some part of its profit to the shareholders just by holding its shares. Okay, the dividend will vary for the company. So let's say some companies will pay 4%, some company will pay 6%, and the company will split among the months or quarter or 6 months once. So we will be getting the profit or some dividends just by holding its shares. Okay, that's what dividend is about. Okay, so today let's see how much I have received as a dividend just by holding like 7,000 worth of shares in my portfolio. So if you want to see my portfolio, what I'm currently holding, so you can just check my previous video. So I have shared everything about my portfolio. So now let's see what the dividend I have received for the month of May and June, like I said. Okay, can you see? Let's go. Okay, I'm opening my Robinhood account. Here, as you see, this is my portfolio, and I'm going to click on the small icon in the rightmost bottom of my account page. Once I click on this one, let me go over to the dividend page, top over here, the one I selected in the top. So let me go one by one. The first share I'm holding General Dynamics. I'm holding 4 shares. For one share, the amount per share for the dividend is 1.1. Total amount is 4.40. And then the next share I'm holding is JP Morgan Chase. I'm just holding one share, and the dividend that paid me 90 cents. And NRG paid me $1.2 just by holding 12 shares. And next share I'm holding PSEC. This is one of the monthly payer, so every month I'm getting some payment, and recently I have increased the quantity of shares in my portfolio. So PSEC paid me 72 cents. And Cisco, I'm holding 4.55 shares. Like I'm holding fraction share as well. For each share, it paid me $0.36, and total amount is $1.64 from Cisco. And MTD, I bought 1.22 in my portfolio. It paid me 71 cents. And Cousins Property is one of the REITs company. It paid me 30 cents just by holding one shares. And O is my favorite company. It will pay every month to the shareholders. I will definitely add more shares to Realty Income once I get lower price than what is in my portfolio. So it paid me 2.34 for the month of July, and also it paid me for June as well. Leg paid me $3.2 just by holding 8 sets. And next one is PM Philip Morris. It paid me $2.7 just by holding 2.3 sets. And then China Mobile, it paid me $4, like just by holding 4 shares. Already I have sold off my China Mobile holdings, and dividend is still in my portfolio. And next shares, KO, Coca-Cola. So it paid me $2.05 just by holding 5 shares. I have recently added 5 more shares with Coca-Cola, and definitely it's growing my dividend investment. And next quarter, I'll be getting more. Our next shares is PPL, paid me 4.15, and SPHD, just by holding 2 shares, it paid me 31 cents. And IVR, I'm holding 10 shares of IVR, it paid me 0.56. And then Gillette Science, it paid me $2.72 just by holding 4 shares. Then next one is Shell Petroleum. Shell paid me 82 cents. And then next share is PBA, Pembina. It paid me 53 cents just by holding 4 shares. And Keybank paid me 1.85 total amount for holding 10 shares. Like I said, Realty Income, it paid me for the month of June as well. June it paid me $2.33 for 10 shares. And WFC, Wells Fargo pays really good dividend. It paid me $7.65 for holding 15 sats. And Work paid me $1.6 for 8 sats. Next one is OHI. OHI paid me 3.35 total amount for holding 5 sats. UNLC paid me 94 cents for 10 sats. So overall, in my portfolio, I have received approximately $65 if you see in my portfolio. Okay, that's all about my portfolio. Now, if you see, I have received $65 back to me just for investing $7,000 in my Robinhood account and just by holding its sats. So I'm strongly suggesting you guys to keep your stock just to get the dividend in monthly basis or quarterly basis. If you sell your shares, definitely you will not be getting all those dividend. So what I'll be doing is once I receive the dividend in my account, I'll be reinvesting back to its the same shares or the share which I like. Okay, so currently I'm getting less amount in the dividend investing, so I'll be reinvesting the same amount that I received as a dividend to the same stock which I'm currently holding in my portfolio. So I hope this will give you some information or benefit, just to plan for your future for the dividend investment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more money into my Robinhood account, so that will help me to increase my dividend. Okay, so currently I'm going to reinvest also, so that will help me to improve my dividend growth. Okay, so I'm strongly suggesting you guys to hold the shares for the long term, so that will give you more profit than buying and selling for short term. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I will try to post 2 videos per week in my channel. So be safe and enjoy. See you guys soon. Bye.